Hello kboom users. This tutorial shows you how to extract the page fans. Firstly, log in with your account and go pick up the page ID you want by clicking right click on the profile picture, getting the ID, copy and paste it. Just click start, let it count. Now we are getting the fans users ID, which allow us to send them Facebook messages, add requests and getting their all public informations like phone numbers and real emails. After it's done, click save and save it as text file. Let's try to pick up some random ID to know how it belongs to someone from the page or not. I will copy and paste it after facebook.com/. Now this Facebook user, one from the page fans we have just extracted. Now we are done.